Today the topic of divide and conquer approach. So the basic idea of divide and conquer approach we already discussed in unit first, merge sort and twitch. In unit third, the divide and conquer approach solve with the help of convexer, matrix, matrix, Strens's matrix, and binary search. So the basic idea of the divide and conquer approach. A large amount of problem, suppose that the problem size is n, then problem divided into two equal half part, n by 2, n by 2. So these problem division of problem is known as subproblem 1 and subproblem 2. After division of these subproblems, recursively divided till the array size is equal to 1. Now, after next, we solve the solution of the original problem of combining of these subproblems. So first divide and conquer approach paradigm divides into three categories. First divide, third second conquer, and third combine. In divide portion, we divide a large problem into subproblems. Conquer approach means solve recursively, and combine means solve problem, find the solution of problem after the combining of the subproblems. So the first example of divide and conquer approach is a merge sort. Merge sort is already discussed in unit first. So merge sort is categorized into three steps. Large problem of merge sort, yeah, given array are divided into two equal portion n by 2 n by 2 into subproblems, and divided array जब तक array का size element size 1 नहीं होगा. After dividing the array, then solve recursively, sort two subproblems and combine, find the solution of the merge sort, and now sorted array is now sorted. So example of merge sort like that, if given a array element 8, 3, 2, 9, 7, 1, 5, 4, the array size equal to 8. So merge sort are divided q equal to p plus r by 2 का lower bound into 2 sub array 8329 7159. These sub array also divided into two equal part जब तक size element 1 नहीं हो जाता है. Now next division 8321. Now here the element size array of the size 1. Then we solve recursively, sort of each element of subproblem. So 3, 8 sorted, 2, 9 now sorted, 1, 7 sorted, 5, 4 sorted. These two subarray is combined and solve 2, 3, 8, 9, 1, 4, 5, 7, and now this finally combine these two array and find the sorted array. The time complexity of the merge sort eta n log n, it is already discussed. Next, we can also represent the recurrence equation of the merge sort like that. The size of element, if size of element equal to n, this array is divided two equal part n by 2 n by 2. So we can write the recurrence equation of the merge sort Tn equal to 2t n by 2 plus theta. This 2 is indicates subproblems and n by 2 subproblem size theta and working, dividing and combining. These three elements is associated with this recurrence of merge sort. This is so the subproblems. Again T n by 2 so the subproblem size, and working, dividing and combining so that by theta n. Now next example of divide and conquer approach like the quick sort. The quick sort is already discussed in unit first. In this sorting, we divide the array in equal two portion. So find the pivot element of the given array and partition the sub array like that: array p comma q and array q plus 1 comma r. If given size of array a p dash 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 r. So the analysis of the quick sort is depend upon the partitioning of procedure. If array divided by midpoint, so the complexity of the quick sort is equal to the complexity of merge sort like that theta and log n. If array one element is one subproblem and n minus one element of other second subproblem. Similarly, next partition of tree, one element subtracted from the n minus 1 and second sub array equal to n minus 2. Then this quick sort analysis is like that worst case analysis, and the time complexity of worst case analysis equal to theta of n squared. If pivot point find at random and array is divided by at random way, then find the time complexity approximately is equal to the time complexity of best case analysis theta and log n. So improvement: better pivot selection, medians of three partitioning, switch to insertion sort on a small sub files, elimination of recursion. So analysis quick sort is also example of the divide and conquer approach, and this quick sort algorithm we discussed in the unit first. Next example of divide and conquer approach like the binary search. In binary search, also associated in three steps: divide, conquer, and combine. Divide means check the middle element, conquer recursively search one subarray, combine trivial. So we show the example of binary search like that. Given array 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 12, 15, and we want to search element of 9. If you want to search element 9, then process of binary search. Binary search is divided to equal part and find the middle element. Here is given total number of 7 elements, so middle point equal to 8 and left subarray equal to 3, 5, 7 and right subarray equal to 9, 12, 15. Now compare the search element of 9 is greater than a middle point, then go to the right subportion. In right subportion, contain the subproblem is contain the three elements. So division of these subproblem: left is 9, right is 15, and mid is 12. So 9, check the value of midpoint. So 9 is smaller than 12, then go to the in left subtree, left subproblem. And left subproblem is equal to 9, then find the item element 9 in a binary search. So recurrence for binary search like that, only one sub, we search element only one subproblem. N by 2 means size of subproblem size. Theta 1 working, dividing and combining. Because working of dividing and combining depend on the search problem, or search only element in a one subproblem, because then we can write the recurrence equation of the binary search tree Tn equal to 1 Tn by 2 plus theta 1, where 1 is the source, the subproblem, n by 2 so the subproblem size, and theta 1 is denoted the working, dividing and combining process. We can also solve this recurrence equation with the help of master method like that. Recurrence equation of master method, general equation of recurrence equation of master method, Tn equal to at n by b plus fn, where a equal to 1, b equal to n by 2. Apply the value of n log base ba, n की power log to 1, value is 0, n की power 0 equal to 1, and fn equal to 1. Both are equal. The condition case second, apply a master method. So according to master method second case, Tn equal to theta n log base ba into log n log base ba की value 1, therefore time complexity of theta log n. So the time complexity of binary search tree equal to theta log n. Now next lecture we will discuss about other example of divide and conquer.